Imagine a place where the sun kisses the sea, where narrow, winding streets lead to hidden gems, where the air is filled with the aroma of fresh herbs and the sound of laughter. Welcome to Chania, possibly Greece's best-kept secret. With its breathtaking landscapes that stretch out to stunning beaches, a vibrant old town that pulses with life, and bustling markets overflowing with local produce, Chania is truly unique, a city shaped by the cultures that have left their mark here. Chania, a city where every corner has a story to tell. The city of Chania doesn't just offer beauty, but also a journey back in time. The whispering winds carry tales of ancient Minoan civilization, echoing through the Byzantine era, the Venetian rule, and the Ottoman occupation. Each epoch has left its indelible mark on the city, influencing the architecture and culture, creating a rich tapestry of history that the city wears with pride. Wandering through the streets of Chania is like taking a step back in time. Chania, a city that has been touched by time yet remains timeless. Chania isn't just about its past. The city is alive, vibrant, and full of energy. It pulses with a rich culture that radiates from its lively festivals, where traditional music and dance infuse the air with joy. The delicious cuisine, a gastronomic adventure in itself, is a testament to the love of good food shared by its people. Yet what truly sets Chania apart is the warmth and hospitality of its inhabitants, always ready with a welcoming smile. Chania, a city that celebrates life every day. So why wait? Pack your bags and embark on a journey to discover Chania. Immerse yourself in the beauty of this city, steeped in history and rich in culture. Envision strolling through the charming streets, visiting centuries-old buildings and soaking in the vibrant local lifestyle. Picture yourself basking in the sun on exotic beaches, tasting the unique flavors of local cuisine, or sailing into the mesmerizing sunset. The experiences are endless in Chania, a place where every corner tells a story. Discover Chania, a city that promises an unforgettable journey.